Hey everyone, this is the Crazy Orthodontist here, how to show you what to do with wires that come out of the back molar bracket like this. And so if you look down here, you'll see the wires come out. The only way that you're going to be able to fix this by yourself is if this is a very light flexible wire. If you look at this, this is a 0.12 nickel titanium wire. It's very light and flexible. You see that how it boings. This one up here, if I push this wire here on the top, it doesn't budge at all. So if you try to grab a wire like this, like with some pliers or something, and you try to move it a little bit, just stop what you're doing. All right, you could break something else. Only if this wire is super duper flexible. If you can grab this and kind of twist it just a little bit to try to get it back up in this molar tube, kind of like this. Whoop. And just kind of fish it in there. If you're good at threading a needle, then you're going to be really good at this part. So just like some needle nose pliers or something, if you can get that wire to kind of go back in there like that, then that's how you can solve the problem yourself. However, again, and I want to repeat and emphasize, if you cannot move the wire, if you can't do this easily by yourself, just stop what you're doing, put wax on it, and then you just leave it alone and let your orthodontist know. What they might do is just clip it back here in the back. So if you look right here, I've got some wire cutting pliers, and I can just take this wire, boom, like that, and cut it. These are specially designed wire cutters to clip that wire, and so if you don't have something like this, it might be safe just to leave it alone, because if you break off a bracket, it's a lot more trouble to fix than if you were to try to fix this on your own. So again, just put some wax on it to try to relieve yourself until you can get to the orthodontist to where they can fix it. But that's a real quick tip right there. If you can do it, good luck. Leave some comments below if you've got questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.